Hey guys, I'm here today to unbox, kind of review a Incase HardShell for my MacBook Pro 13-inch with the M1 chip. And yeah, that's what it says right there. So at Best Buy they have a blue dot, meaning that it would fit the MacBook Pro 13-inch, the M1 chip. So yeah. And this is how it looks on the back. It says complete protection right there. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and actually just slide it out, because there's no kind of plastic or anything on here. So just slide it out like this. And you have you got your top here, and you got your bottom. So yeah. Of course, it's just plastic. It's not very flimsy, but it is. You can see your fingerprints in it, and there's like a texture on the inside of this. This is the outside. This is the inside. And the textures on the inside, on the top, and even the bottom piece. So then you have your feet. Then you got the ventilation here and on the other side, and yeah. Got the opening here, the bottom of the laptop, and yeah, let's go ahead and put it on my MacBook Pro. I'm so enjoying my MacBook Pro, so let's go ahead and put the bottom piece on. Okay, I'm gonna make sure I have it on. All right, let's see. That's the back part. Okay. All right, so I'm putting it in. Some clips. Oh yeah, make sure it's getting those grooves. I try to do it until it don't click anymore, so I know that it's in. All right, so let's put the top piece on. And just make sure that your laptop is clean. I did clean it, so let's put that on here. There you go. Oh yeah. Lets me know that it's on secure. So yeah, so there's the ports for the USB-C, and it's open here. You got your ventilation right here, you got your headphone jack here, and you got your little place where you can open the MacBook. So yeah. And yeah, so yeah guys, that's pretty much it. It adds just a little bit of weight, just a smidgen. It's not a lot. You really can't tell that much of a difference. But yeah, I like it. I think it's gorgeous. Although that's upside down, you can't see the apple in it. Yeah. So better be careful. And there's the feet of it. And yeah. Guys, I forgot to show you that it does says Incase right here on the right corner of the case right here. So yeah, Incase. Guys, so that is my unboxing and slight review of the Incase HardShell case for the MacBook Pro 13-inch with the M1 chip. And I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. All right guys, I love you. Toodles.